Great day, good people. This is Mr. Bilbo, Crypto Bilbo. Just wanted to come today, give a quick update on the market, and just talk about mindset today. I know with the market doing what it's doing right now, everybody's freaking out. Bitcoin is crashing and all these different things. And, honestly, it is what it is. It is what it is. Like this market is going to do what it's going to do, and what you can do to protect yourself or be in a better situation in this space is understand and really understand how this market works. And I'm not suggesting anybody to go learn how to be a trader, but I do think it's important to understand how the markets work. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, but I just want to kind of give you some perspective today. So if you look at, this is my chart. I know it looks like a lot going on, but I have a couple of, key levels marked out. And then I have my value area marked out as well. So you can see over this period of time from January, was January 5th to now, most of your buying has happened around the 41, say I got it marked there, 41,833 mark, right? So this is still where the majority of a lot of the buying is taking place, right? And then you see where you have these down here where it's light, these are very small orders. So it's not a lot of buy pressure, it's not a lot of sales pressure right there. So that's why you don't have a lot of support and resistance here. So where we're sitting at right now, we're sitting at 34,600. I think we could probably see lower, just for the simple fact there is no other levels of support and resistance between 37,000 and 29,000. And then another thing to also keep in mind is that a lot of buying was done, a lot of Elon, a lot of MicroStrategy, a lot of these guys buying was happening around this range right here. So my next level of support that I will look towards is probably around this 29,000. When it gets there, we'll see what happens, and then we'll go from there. One of the guys that I follow is Daniel at Chart Champions, one of the best traders I've ever seen. And basically his concept is you trade level to level. Once that level breaks, you trade to the next level. So he's improved my trading like 100%. Not saying that I'm the best in the world, and I'm because I'm still learning, but understanding the psychology of the market, I think is very important, right? So again, if you're trading, you make money when it's going up, you make money when it's coming down, right? And for a lot of these people that are buying and holding, he said the other day is it's not smart to not saying that hodling doesn't work, but hodling works if you're early to the project. If you're late to the project, then if you're buying at the tops, then holding on, then you got to experience this downturn, and that's what most people can't stomach, right? But this is a suggestion, not financial advice. If we get down to these levels around 28,000, I would be looking, if you get a signal of more buying power coming into the market, I will be looking to buy at around 29,000. So that's just my opinion. That's just my suggestion. But in the meantime, what I wanted to do is say, okay, so if you're holding, you're taking losses on your crypto right now, you don't know how to trade, you need another alternative, right? So this is a platform that I want to talk to you guys about today, is the Drip Network. This is one that I've been in for a short time now, but I've listened to the AMAs. I understand the platform. I understand the protocol, what they've put together, and I believe, again, this is just my opinion, not financial advice, but I believe that their protocol is sustainable. So I'll say this, I believe that it's sustainable. So they have what's called a faucet, right? And then it's a way that they're paying 1% daily, 1% daily up to 365, up to 365% on your investment. And then they have a way where you can compound daily, and that's when you would hydrate. So every day, every 24 hours, they're paying you 1% on your investment, and then you have the ability to compound that money that you just earned, right? So this is something that I would take a look at. This because in these times like this, when Bitcoin is declining, everything seems like it's falling, creating passive income for yourself should always be the goal, right? Should always be the goal. And one thing that I really like about this, I believe that's sustainable because I just understand what they're doing on the back end. And you can do your own research, look into it, but I do believe that this project is sustainable, paying 1% a day, just based on it. Because what happens is every time you buy in, it's a 10% tax. Every time you withdraw, there's a 10% tax. And then when you rehydrate with compound, there's a 5% tax, right? So that's sustainable, because if I'm taking 10%, every time I do a transaction and I'm paying out 1, I should always stay ahead of the curve. And then from listening to the AMA, what they're also doing is taking this liquidity that you're putting into the market and sending it to Pancake Swap, which is another exchange, providing liquidity to them. And say Pancake Swap is paying them 30 to 40% on that liquidity that they're providing. So they have another revenue stream that's built in, that's baked into this model that works. So again, just my opinion, but I think it's something that you should definitely take a look at. What I want to do is I also have a free gift. If you go to my website, either go to my website or go and follow me on Instagram, I'll send you my free ebook. It's 40 crypto terms that you need to know and understand. And then I have 3 crypto power picks, my report for 2022. These are projects that I feel that I've researched, I've done my due diligence on, that the mass majority of people might not be privy to or even know about. But I think these are projects that are going to be disruptive in the space. So this is my gift. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, follow me, hit me with a DM, and say ebook, and then I'll give it to you. So my Instagram is Crypto Bilbo 1. You can go there again, follow me, leave me a DM, or you can go to my website, cryptobilbo.com, and leave me a message there, and I'll make sure you get a copy of the free ebook. So again, just wanted to come to you really quick today and share a little game with you. So Crypto Bilbo, I'm out.